YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Fat Girl Slim, and I am back with a gorgeous wig review. If you are like me and are a member of the Black women who can't do hair community, you are in for a treat. I fell in love with Gorgius Wigs last year. The Wispy bang wig, that's the one that was TikTok famous. So just a little brief thing about Gorgius Wigs. They are a wig company. They are based in China, but they make synthetic hair wigs. Now, the quality of this synthetic hair is 10 times better than the hair you're going to buy at the beauty supply store. So just to show you girls how your Gorgius wigs are gonna come, they come in this beautiful iridescent box. Each wig will be in its own bag that you can use to preserve and protect your hair, just as I have here. It also comes with wig caps and a little kit that includes an edge brush, some hair clips, a wig band, like if you're doing a lace wig, and some hairpins. So you get all of that in each shipment. For instance, this wig I have had now for over a year. Now it's a little bit dull because I do need to shampoo it, but I wore this wig in my last video. I just pop it on and it's a look. I have washed this numerous times, and so think about it. I bought this wig in August of 2021. It is now April of 2023, and this wig still looks great. I still get plenty of compliments on it. The curl has not gone. I have had minimal shedding. One thing I will say about the synthetic wigs is they do tend to matte. So after about 1 or 2 uses, you definitely want to make sure you're brushing it out on a regular basis. But like I said, I think this is looks pretty good for a synthetic wig that I've literally had for over a year and a half. Okay, so this wig is the Fearless Nature Wig. This is a brand new wig that they just brought to the website. They sent this to me to do a review, and I am in love. Literally pulled it out the box, teased it out with a comb, and this is a whole look. It has the true scalp lace in the front, so I did not have to do any bleaching or anything. I just wore I recommend that you get a cap that closely matches your skin tone. I link those because they have 3 different shades. So you can get one that closely matches your skin tone. You don't have to worry about doing foundation and concealer all over your head. But this one is too cute. It was already tapered on the sides. I just had to cut the bangs to the point where I could see. But y'all, is this not a look? This is too cute. All right, so we're gonna go to the next wig. So next, I think this wig is just called the Chestnut Brown wig. Now this is a real unboxing. We're gonna pull this wig out and we're gonna work with it. And I'm already nervous because this is the first time I've ordered a colored wig. So this is a very, very short wig, and I probably should have grabbed my spray bottle. This misting bottle I also got from Amazon. I'm gonna list that below as well. And yeah, we're gonna try this out. This is my first wig with color, and I'm not sure how this is gonna come out, but guess what? If it looks bad, I'll just edit it out the video. So, hold on, wait a minute. Let's not count it out just yet. Let's not count this out just yet, y'all, because I feel like this could still be a look. We ain't gonna count it out just yet. We are just gonna work it on out, just kind of dampen it. I think one of my most favorite things is when you pull the wig out of the box, because you get in there and tease it out. But when you first put it on your head, it looks scary as hell because you're just sitting there like, what did I get into? And wow, is this, y'all, this did not look like it was gonna be good, but I'm feeling this. Now, I don't think this color goes with like my makeup that I got on. So just try to imagine it without. But y'all, this is cute. And then I'm probably gonna shape it up a little bit more because I kind of wanna do this thing around my hair. But y'all let me know what you think. Comment down below. But I think this is a look. I like this. I like this. This was very scary at first, but it came together. Y'all, a little water, a comb, and some prayer. That is all you need. But this is I like it. Okay. Okay, so this is the new Funmi curly bang wig. So I told y'all I don't normally do color. This one is red. This is gonna be very interesting. The last one went well, so we're gonna see what this is talking about. Now, I didn't realize this at the time, but this one actually has a part of the front and it has a little lace. Now, I do see knots here. It's not that crucial to me to bleach them, but you may want to. But we're gonna try to make this work. I don't have everything I need to glue lace down, but we're just trying to get an idea how this is gonna look on. So all right, don't get scared, y'all. We're gonna do it again. Now, I don't normally do lace front, girls. I did watch Mina and her video about how to lay a lace front, and maybe I'll do another video where I'm actually doing the lace part. But right now, we're just trying to get the hair to do what we want it to do. Yeah, it's kind of hard to envision because I gotta fix this lace part. But I actually think this is really cute. All right, y'all, I just trimmed down the lace while it was not on my head. I know that's not how the girls normally do it, but I just wanted to really see how this looked without having that lace flap in the way. This is a look. This is a look. Let's see if we can kind of. Y'all, this is going so much better than I expected. I am really here for all of this. Okay. All right, girls. So this next one is the spring curly Y shape. Now this one also has a small lace front. Now this is beautiful. The good news is that you can actually use heat on these up to 360 degrees or 340. You know what the setting on your flat iron is. And so you can put those curls back in with a little curling wand or flexi rod. We're just gonna go ahead and trim this lace off. They don't market these as glueless wigs, but we may be able to get away without having to glue this because it's such a small piece of lace. We'll see. Coming together nicely to show. And you can actually, like I said, if you braid tightly enough and the wig cap fits on here pretty nicely, you can get away with not even using any glue with this. This is a great option for those low maintenance girlies. giving curly bob. I should do the bob dance. Am I doing it? I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna stop. So that about does it. That brings about the end of this video. Y'all comment below. Let me know which one of these wigs was your favorite. I just love the option of being able to change up your look just like that. Literally no thought, no effort. Pop the wig, tease it out, and go. This is a whole vibe. So definitely, I hope I changed your mind about wig wearing. I promise you, you won't regret it. Thank y'all for tuning in. I will see y'all in a couple of weeks. Bye-bye.